Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. Today next to me, BMW 900 GS. Very good bike, but still we have developed several aftermarket parts to make it even more convenient for the adventure traveling. Let me speak about the RR kit from RADE Garage for the 900 GS. The main reason we did it was the fragile original tower. The OEM tower is made from very hard plastic, but it happened to us, it has cracked in some areas when riding the gravel roads. We have 1 decade of experiences from designing and producing the carbon towers for the KTM bikes and RADE bikes, including RADE Dakar. So we decided to replace the OEM tower for the carbon one and the aluminum CNC-milled holders. And when we started with the tower, we said actually we can use even the headlights and the windshield and do the complete RR kit for the 900 GS. When designing the RR kit for 900 GS, the endurance and durability were very important parameters for us. That's why the design itself, as well as the selection of the materials, were done in a way that the RR kit is as much crash-proof as possible. The windshield is designed by us and produced here in Czech Republic. It's made from Lexan, which is pretty flexible and durable material, hard to crack, and it has nice rounded edges, compliant with TIFF. The carbon tower is made from prep-rack under high pressure and temperature in autoclave, which is actually the same manufacturing technology as is used in aviation, Formula 1 or on RADE factory motorbikes. To get the best combination of the low weight and stiffness, the carbon tower is made from 3 layers of carbon, but wherever you see any holes, it's further reinforced. And to ensure the great stability on the motorbike, the tower is mounted to the frame via nicely CNC-milled aluminum holders. And the RR kit is completed with the carbon side panels and the carbon deflector that are produced the same manufacturing technology. The safety feature of the RR kit are the strong LED headlights, the high beam and the low beam. They have output of 70 watts, and we get this great performance because of the original Cree chipset and the true glass optics. The headlights are road legal, and you will get the copy of the certification together with the headlights. As we ride ourselves a lot, we know how important it is to have enough space for the navigation in your cockpit. That's why the RR kit comes with a white crossbar, and the crossbar is mounted on silent blocks, so it reduces some of the micro vibrations and is more friendly towards your navigation devices. To simplify the installation of your device to the crossbar, you will get from a so-called Garmin adapter. You can mount it in 1 horizontal and 2 vertical positions, and you can also adjust the angle so you can be sure your device is always in the best viewpoint. Here you can see there is enough space for the big 8 inches tablet or 2 small devices next to each other. On the carbon tower, it's installed the original USB-C port, so it's very easy to recharge your navigation devices. With the RG RR kit for 900 GS, you will get very robust cockpit from selected materials, strong LED headlights, space for navigation, decent wind protection, and all that wrapped in nice RADE design. So if you like it, please order on our eShop.